Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Quranic Easy Arabic Grammar course. Today is our lecture number 3. Inshallah ta'ala, today we are going to learn about the Arabic parts of speech. Well, in the previous two lectures, we have learned about the importance of Arabic language, and we have also learned why should we learn Arabic grammar. In today's lecture, we would be learning two main things. One is how language is formed, and other is Arabic parts of speech. Now, anyone having any idea how language is formed? It's a very simple way. There are the words. These are the basic units of any language. Words came together to form fragments. Fragments come together to form sentences, and the bunch of sentences make language. Every language in the world is formed in this same manner. Now, the important thing is, as words are the basic unit of any language, next question is how words are formed. And this question is extremely important once we talk about Arabic language. The words are formed through alphabets. There are different alphabets. In Arabic, we have to learn the alphabets and their detail. Now, English language has 26 alphabets, whereas Urdu language has 39 alphabets. Arabic language has either 28 or 29 alphabets. The difference in counting is because some of the grammarians, they calculate Hamza and Alif as separate alphabets, and few they count them as the same alphabet, so their counting of total Arabic alphabet is 28. We would take it as 28 Arabic alphabets for this course. Now, these are the Arabic alphabets. It's very easy to memorize them. There are 4 rows and 7 columns. If you multiply by 4 with 7, it would make total figure 28. So there are 28 alphabets, Arabic alphabets. Now, in addition to Arabic alphabets, there are vowels, which we call harkat. Once we start learning the recitation of Quran, we learn these harkat, zabar, zer, pesh. We call it fatha, zabar, kasra, zer, and zama, pesh. And if a word does not have any harkat on it, it is called sukoon. Now, these are the examples. Al-kitabu, in this, the first Hamza has fatha, then Lam has a sukoon, Qaf has a kasra, and Ba has a zamma. And if there are 2 harkat, that is 2 zabar, 2 zay, 2 pesh, 2 fatha, 2 kasra, and 2 zamma, these are called tanween. Now, alphabets and vowels, once they join together in Arabic, they form words. Examples are as shown on this slide: Qaf, Lam, Mim. And once we put suitable harkat on these words, they make a word qalamun, alif noon, sin, alif noon. While putting on the suitable harkat, it makes insan, and likewise kitab is an example. So now we have learned that how Arabic words are formed. It is very interesting to know how language is formed in general, and Arabic in particular. The basic method of formulating the rules of every language in the world is the same. What do this do? That they collect all the meaningful words of the language, and they divide that different words in different groups in such a way that no word of the language is left out of this classification. Now, this classification of words is called parts of speech. And if you remember, we have learned these parts of speech of different languages once we were in our school days. Now, parts of speech for every language may be different from the other languages. Now, English has eight parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, adjective, adverb, interjection, verb, conjunction, preposition, etc. Whereas Arabic and Urdu has only 3 parts of speech. Now, in Arabic, we have only 3 parts of speech, that is ism, fil, and harf. These 3 parts of speech, they represent the rest of the 8 parts of speech which English language has. Now, in English, noun, pronouns, adjective, adverb, and interjection, these all combine together in Arabic, and they just make one part of speech, that is ism. Noun and ism, we may call them same, but they are not same exactly. Likewise, verb and fi'l, they, for the ease of understanding, we call them the same word, but in Arabic, fi'l is much more complicated and difficult terminology to understand. Inshallah, in coming days we will learn this, and likewise particle. Alhamdulillah. Today we have learned the Arabic parts of speech are three: ism, fail, and harf. And in coming lecture we would be learning how these parts of speech would react and would act while understanding the Quran Majid. Right, I would request, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do so. Share, subscribe, like, and comment. May Allah make us and give us strength to decide, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran Majid. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. See you in the next video, where we would study the Arabic parts of speech as found in the Quran Majid, and how do they work and what is their categorization, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.